Attention Bitcoin holders, there are two very bullish patterns that are getting played out on the Bitcoin daily chart and the Bitcoin 4-hourly charts. Also, there is a very important level that Bitcoin should maintain while it is about to close this month. What are the key patterns and what exactly is that level? Stay tuned to find out more.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Also, if you'd like to discuss about Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies, head over to Telegram and join our family. The link for that is given in the description below as well as in the pinned comments. So, without further delay, let's jump onto the Bitcoin chart. So currently we are on the Bitcoin daily chart, and one of the very important patterns that is getting played out right here is a falling wedge, as you can see right here. Okay, a falling wedge is known to be a very bullish pattern. In the last 24 hours we have actually broken above the falling wedge. We have just broken above, and today is actually very critical, because as of today we have actually tested the top of this falling wedge as a support, which is a very critical thing that we do, and it is actually confirmation of the breakout. Now we need to see whether from 9 hours from now, when we will be closing this candle, that we are above this line of the wedge. So if we are able to close above it, probably we can go ahead and infer that perhaps we have broken above the falling wedge that was getting printed for the last few days. Again, another very crucial level for Bitcoin is at around the $35,050 approximately. As you can see, we have tested it quite a few times. So we tested it today itself when we went above and went up to about $35,700. Then a couple of days back we tested it. So we have tested it many times in the past. If we just go back also, you will see that this particular line has acted as a very strong support as well as resistance in the past as well. So if the breakout for Bitcoin is confirmed, then the most critical level will be this $35,050 approximately. The next level for us to watch out for will be this one. We need to close a body of a candle above it and treat this as a support as well for us to again gain back some confidence. If we just plot the moving averages, then we will be seeing that the moving averages are acting as a very strong resistances. As for today, the 20-day simple moving average acted as a strong resistance that we can see over here. So if we break resistance of $35,050 and treat this as a support, then perhaps the 20-day moving average, which is currently at about $35,750, will act as a strong resistance. So in short, if I have to confirm a breakout and a move towards 40,000, then 35,750 is the level that we need to watch out for. Now, whether you should be placing a trade or not, according to me, our premium members have not yet placed a trade. We will be placing a trade only when this candle treats this line of the falling wedge as a support, probably tomorrow or day after, and our first point of selling would be at about $35,050, and from there probably $35,750. If I have to take the measurement, then the target for this falling wedge would actually be at around $41,000. But before that, the 50-day moving average, which is at about $38,600, will act as a strong resistance. Again, is this the beginning of a bull run? Personally speaking, I do not think so. We have tested the 200-day moving average quite a few number of times in the past as well, and I won't be surprised if we test the 200-day and we get rejected. So 43,600 would be the final target if we have to long Bitcoin at this point of time. Again, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. These are my personal opinions. You need to do your own research before investing. Now, this was the first pattern that is getting played out on the Bitcoin chart. For the second pattern, we will go to the Bitcoin 4-hourly chart. On the Bitcoin 4-hourly chart, what we can see over here is basically we are forming a double bottom pattern, as we can see right here. Okay, it's a double bottom pattern that is getting formed there as well as here as well. So double bottom patterns, as we all know, are very bullish in nature as well. So this is a double bullish pattern for Bitcoin currently, and the neckline for the double bottom pattern could be at around $35,000. And if we measure the target for the double bottom, so we'll take from the neckline to the bottom of this and we'll just place it on top of the breakout point. So yeah, approximately a target comes to about $40,000. So will we reach $40,000 at one go? Personally speaking, I do not think so. There are certain key levels of resistances that we showed you in the Bitcoin daily chart that it has to break out before reaching to about $40,000. Now, apart from this, on the Bitcoin monthly chart, there is a critical level of support that we need to maintain in this month. And that critical level of support is the $30,112 mark. Because if we break below it, the next support on the monthly chart is down at about 19,804. So we are about 2 days and 9 hours from the time of recording this video for this monthly candle to close, and we should look out for the closure. That is very, very important from the Bitcoin long-term perspective. Probably if $30,000 was indeed the bottom, this would actually signify that to a certain extent if possible. I'm not saying that $30,000 was the bottom. I personally feel that we might go much lower. Whether we'll be going to $19,000, personally speaking, I doubt that theory a little bit as well. But if I have to talk about the charts, then after $30,000, the monthly support is down at $19,800, which will again be another approximately 20-25% downward move from here. So let's take a quick measurement. If we just see right here, so this will be approximately 35% move actually from the $30,000 to the $19,000. So if we tend to close this monthly chart below this level of 30,100, then probably from the long-term perspective, I would be looking at shorting Bitcoin. Whether you should be doing it or not, you need to do your own research for that. Now, what are the key levels? As we have mentioned multiple number of times, the 61.8 ratio on the Fibonacci is the golden ratio or the golden pocket. Now, if we just look up, then our rejection or our top for the time being is absolutely at about 361.8. Now that is another key reason that I say that 61.8 is a golden pocket. If you have to come below here and look at 61.8 percentage, then 61.8% is approximately at the 200-week moving average, which is known to be the lowest point for Bitcoin in any market cycle. So personally speaking, I am looking at this monthly closure to be above $30,100. That is the first criteria. If we break below it, probably in the next month or so, there could be an instance wherein we can test the $19,800 level. Personally, I don't think we will be going to $14,000 anytime soon for this market cycle. So what you should be doing, first of all, for us, for our premium members, they are keeping an eye on this particular wedge and where this particular candle for today closes. That is very, very important. If we are able to close above it, then probably we might long Bitcoin with a small price target of about $35,050 or probably $35,550. That would be a good gain of about approximately 6% with a 10x leverage. That will come to around 60% or so. So if you want to know how to trade on Binance futures or how to trade on leverage, I have made a video on it. You can click the link given in the description below and you can watch that video. But be very, very mindful that you need to be an experienced trader to trade in leverages, right? So that's a word of caution from my side. So that's pretty much it about this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Please like the video, please subscribe to our channel. That gives us a lot of motivation. I was not doing well for the past 4 or 5 days. My throat was not doing well, that's why we could not make the videos, but we are back once more and we'll be making at least one new video every day going forward. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, share this video with your near and dear ones, with your friends, with your family. Give them the opportunity to learn more about Bitcoin and how Bitcoin can change their lives. Every day I talk to so many people, they tell me how Bitcoin has been a great catalyst in changing their lives. So make sure you use Bitcoin to your advantage, and you know the technicals in the charts, and you trade very, very wisely. If you want to be a member of our premium channel, you can contact me in the Telegram below as well. So that's pretty much it about this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.